Where is our Mr. Green?
In the garbage truck.
In the garbage truck, sitting. He's a bin man, yeah? He works. He's collecting rubbish.
Yes.
So, there is one more important way to take care of our planet. Oh, planet, the Earth. I wonder what it can be. Reuse. Reuse. That means you use something more than once.
And new.
Yes, and make something new. Yes, when you don't throw it away. When you don't throw it away, but make something new. Do you reuse something?
No.
Hey guys, do you reuse something?
Yeah.
Yes, I drink from my plastic bottle more than once, again and again. I drink water. Yes? Do we drink water from plastic bottles? No. No? No, we don't, yeah? But Ron and Rosie drink from plastic bottles more than once, again and again. Yes, that's reusing. It's, what color is it? Black. And your t-shirt is?
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Mr. Green. My tummy is starting to
Rumble.
rumble.
Not rumble.
Not rumble. I'm a bit peckish. What about have a bite? What about to have a snack? The yogurt carton is empty. I'm going to throw it away. No, Rosie, stop. Don't toss it into the bin. Let's make something new. No, you are not going to throw it away. Do you have any ideas what we are going to make? Let's make a bird feeder. I love the idea. It's getting colder and some birds have no food.
Yeah.
They stay here in winter.
Not in winter.
Not in winter. We should take good care of our furry friends.
You're going through.
No, you are not going to throw it away. We are going to make a bird feeder. Let's decorate it. Will you help me? Okay. Stop eating the bird seeds. Take the bird seeds and pour them into the yogurt carton. Let's pour together, okay? Well done. Our birds will be happy. Go out and hang it up.
Yeah.